everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this high pressure washer. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so this is what the pressure washer looks like. You can see you have your on and off button right here. You're going to turn it, and the setup was really easy. All you had to do was put in some bolts right here, and then down here there was 3, so there's 1, 2 in these little slots, and then 1 in the middle. So the setup was super easy. This is where you're going to find your little nozzles, depending on what kind of spray you want. I did already put a green one on the gun, which you can see right here. They also have the option, right now I have the water hose hooked up to it, but you do have the option to use this. So instead of putting in the water hose, you're going to plug this, and then you could put this down inside of a bucket or something in case you don't have access to a water hose. You could use this as well. And then it also has this right here. If you want to put some kind of cleaning solution, you can do that with this. But let's go ahead and see how this works. Today I'm going to be pressure washing this chair. I have 4 kids in white chairs, so I do have to do this at least every couple months. And as you can see, it's been a while since I last done it. I really need to get some covers for these, but it's such an awkward shape that it's really hard to find. So let's go ahead and get to pressure washing these. I'm going to do orange. So you can actually use this to pressure wash your sidewalks and the side of your house as well. Okay, so I was able to pressure wash all these chairs in no time whatsoever. They're gonna look so much better. And I also did the cement. This thing works amazing. If you're looking for a pressure washer, I highly recommend this one because it did a really great job. And that is what it looks like with everything on it. This is how I'm going to be storing it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.